Hi, I'm here with Hanna Oh Descher from our PlayFab team. So maybe you can start by introducing our audience to PlayFab.
Sure. Now that most games run as a service, they require extensive backend infrastructure to help them operate. And that's what PlayFab does. We provide game services such as user management, cloud data storage, leaderboards, and in-app commerce.
And so this notion of having these building block services and then using data to, in fact, enhance gameplay. So you want to show us how game developers go about doing that?
Sure. Today I'm going to show you how to run a targeted store offering for expert players in the game just with a few simple clicks. So here's our game, Unicorn Battle, running on Android. And you know what? I play this game every day, and I'm really good at it.
Well, I can't say that about myself, but I'll believe you're good at it.
It's true. I have access to the developer portal, and I know that I belong to a high XP player group, which is the most elite player base in the game. So let's check out the portal. So this is a dashboard showing daily KPIs in the middle, and on the right, PlayStream, which is our real-time analytics pipeline. So let's hit play.
So in real time, you're seeing the streaming of the events, and you can use that as a segment to change the gameplay?
Exactly. PlayFab is not just simple event processing and analytics. We can also push updates back to the game client, everything in real time. So economy is where users can easily set up different items in the store, here like magical potions, and different type of stores containing different set of items. Here, this profile store is what's shown in the game. And I've also created 30% discount profile store called Happy Unicorn Hour. So let me show you how easy it is to update. I'm just going to override the profile store just for the high XP players.
Got it. So you both created a segment, and then now you're putting basically in-app merchandise that's targeted to that segment.
Yeah. So let's reopen the store. See, now I have all the discounts.
That's awesome. And I mean, this ability for developers to, in some sense, take a lot of what we do, say in Xbox, and when we build our first-party games, to take all of that knowledge and make them essentially PaaS services for developers and democratize game development is what your real core mission is.
Yeah, and it's super cool, right? Like, it's not just about running the app from the back end. We can also push real-time updates back to the app based on what your users are actually doing out in the real world.
Completely. And now every game developer can go use these services to build their game. So how should they get started?
Sure. The first thing would be go to playfab.com and sign up for an account. Account creation is free, and you can start experimenting with almost little or no investment. And while you're on playfab.com, I highly recommend downloading our free Guide to Live Ops.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.